Hello everyone, you're on the Kamilla channel and today I'll be sculpting the prototype figure from the Buggy Huggy channel. Since I already sculpted the original prototype and talked about him in detail before, I'm not going to repeat everything again. But if you missed that video, definitely check out my sculpt of the original prototype from Poppy Playtime on my channel. But to quickly explain, prototype is considered the smartest and most dangerous experiment in the entire Playtime Kobe's factory. His body is a terrifying combination of human bones, organs, and massive mechanical parts, making him look like a true biomechanical monster. He's nearly immortal. Even after severe damage, Prototype can regenerate thanks to the huge amount of poppy gel inside his body. His long mechanical arms are unbelievably strong. They can easily crush bones, break glass, and even crack concrete. And the scariest part is that despite his massive size, he moves incredibly fast, running across walls, ceilings, and appearing out of nowhere in seconds. His spider-like limbs are so heavy and powerful that they leave cracks in concrete with every movement. But the real danger of Prototype isn't just his strength, it's his intelligence. He was the one who organized the experiment uprising and nearly destroyed the entire Playtime commerce system. He can build devices from scrap parts, hack the factory's technology, and manipulate other experiments to achieve his goals. What's even creepier is that Prototype collects parts from destroyed toys and attaches them to his own body, making himself even stronger and more horrifying. Now I'm no longer making the original prototype, but the fan-made version created by the Buggy Huggy channel, where both the story and the character's appearance are completely changed. And right now, I'm going to tell you that story. Rory Redcap was defeated during his battle against Prototype inside the factory. His sister, Lily Lovebraids, couldn't protect him. Prototype pierced Rory with his metal claws and disappeared into the dark corners of the factory. But not for long. Later, when Chum Chompkins came to the cafeteria for a quick meal, a terrifying alarm suddenly echoed throughout the entire factory, and only seconds later, the cafeteria doors burst open with a loud crash. The nightmare critters stormed inside and began attacking the factory workers. And at that exact moment, the new prototype appeared. He was unnaturally tall. His long striped legs swayed like the stilts of an old circus performer. A horrifying smile was frozen across his face. The white round mask with enormous black eyes almost looked toy-like, if it weren't for the long teeth stretched into a twisted, insane grin. On top of his head, a jester hat with golden bells slowly swung from side to side. His long arms nearly dragged across the floor, and his body bent in such unnatural ways that it looked like there were no bones inside him at all. He looked like a broken circus puppet that came to life for only one purpose: to spread fear. After bursting into the cafeteria, Prototype began searching for survivors. For anyone the nightmare critters hadn't already chased away or torn apart. But by then, nobody was left. And that's how this creepy and insane version of Prototype turned out. Write in the comments who I should sculpt next from the Buggy Huggy universe. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more scary figures and dark stories. See you in the next video.